kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare aloo paratha. So let's see the ingredients. For the aloo paratha, we need two things. The first thing is simple dough and second thing is mixtures of ingredients. For the mixtures of ingredients, we need the boiled potato, mint leaves, coriander leaves, onion, ginger paste, green chili, chopped green chili as per the taste, and coriander powder, salt, red chili powder, yellow powder, and garam masala. For the simple dough, we need some salt, water, and some oil. So first of all, for the dough, we need to put some salt and just mix a little bit to get a good mixture. And we will add some oil. It's like 2 tablespoons, and just mix it well. And at the same time you can add the water. This is just lukewarm water only, just room temperature water, and just mix it well properly and add some more water. Mix it well until it's become stick each other. This preparation is for 2 to 3 aloo paratha. It depends on the size. Now the mixture is getting better and it's becoming smooth, so meaning it's almost ready. So just keep knocking like this until it's become very soft. Just need a little bit more to become more soft. I use it a big bowl just to make a good dough, so you have more space to move in the bowl. And just add a little bit more water. It's a finer water, and just more knock like this. You need a little bit energy. So before okay, now the dough is very smooth and is ready. So I will just polish a little bit of oil, and then you will rest it for like at least half an hour to make aloo paratha. You can just cover it and just rest it for 15 minutes. So now I'm going to prepare the mixtures, and so now I mash the potato, and I'm going to mix with all the mixtures ingredients. It's like onion, chopped onion, green chili. If you like more spicy, you can add more. It's as per the taste. And you will add all together, and you will mix in one time. So you can mix it all. Just mix it well, so your taste will be good, and your paratha taste will be all balanced. now I mix all the ingredients. Then now the mixture is ready, so I will keep it aside, and now I'm going to prepare the dough. So rest time is finished, so we will prepare the dough ball. Just take it from here. So I think I will make only two. I'll make a big paratha. Yeah, so I will just make it a ball. Okay, and just keep it aside, and you'll make another one. Just simply you just roll it around with your palm, just like that. So it's ready now. Okay, now from the bowl, and then I'll make it flat a little bit like this. Just use your finger. You can use your palm also like this. Just flip it from this side to another side, and you will make a little bit flat, and you don't need to make it's a big flat yet, so just keep it the side, and I will make another one. For the meantime, you can keep it inside, no problem. Just make it a little bit flat. So that's ready for stuff. Okay, now you make the ball a little bit flat, not a big one, just a middle size, just to insert the stuffing. So maybe you can put like 2 spoons of maybe 2.5 spoons of stuffing. Yeah, and then you are going to make it round. Just make it round with using my fingers, and just twist it like this, and you can put it inside for the ending. So that's it, and you will just keep it for like 5-10 minutes, and you can make it flat again, and you can fry it. Okay, now you will take little flour just to make it ready to flat. So just make it a little bit flat like this, then turn it to other side until it's become a little bit round shape, and now you can start rolling. Yeah, and turn it to the other side, and just adjust, twist to other side. You will see the stuffing here a little bit, but don't worry, it will not go out. But when just be careful when you turn to the other side, so it will not be break out. Yeah, so just need to be round a little bit more. So it's enough. Now I will put it in there, ready for bread. Okay, so now you can use the medium flame to cook the paratha. No need to make a very low flame or very high flame. I just use my finger. If you're afraid from the heat, you can use the any cooking tools, no worry. Okay, now just like after 1 to 2 minutes, just twist it other side, and then you will check if a little bit turn to brown, you will turn to the other side. Okay, now this side is cooked already. Yeah, and then you will flip to other side. Just look around. You need to be cook a little bit more, just like a few seconds only. And then final turn to the other side. See, now you will see the golden brown with a very nice aroma. Yeah, so now it's ready. Okay, now our aloo paratha is ready. So I will transfer it to the plate. Right. See, now you can see everywhere, every side is well cooked. Okay, now our golden brown paratha is ready. And the smell is so good, and you can pair with the yogurt as well. This can be for breakfast, for lunch, and for dinner. So I hope you enjoy my recipe, and thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video.